Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with another close-up coins game. There's 5 close-ups of commemorative alphabet 10p coins in this video. It's time for you to use your coin knowledge and try and work out what these 5 commemorative coins are. Again, they are alphabet coins. The 2018 and 2019 alphabet coin sets are identical. Obviously, apart from one of them says 2018 and the other says 2019. All the designs, though, on the backs of the coins are the same. So again, these are 5 of the 26. Can you work them out? As always, it doesn't take long for someone to get them all correct. Again, this video is scheduled up at 3 p.m. I'm sure by 2 minutes past 3. There's going to be 5 correct answers in the comments. I have put the video on loop a few times for you all to work them out, especially without me talking in the background. And again, a huge shout out to ANDONSTAR for making this possible. We are able to do real nice close-up, zoomed-in images, still in good quality of all of these commemoratives. And again, I really do hope it brings you a little bit of fun as well, playing these games. Like I've always said, if there is any games that you would like to play on the channel, please do let me know. I'll definitely try and get them in whenever possible. Or you might like some of the games that are currently on the channel. We may have played some before and not played them for a while. If that is the case, please do let me know and we'll definitely get round to doing them again. Talking of other games on the channel, the Guess Dan's coin results will be up just after 7 o'clock and a new round opening. Best of luck again to everyone that's played along. Only one more round left in the month. Top 2 again at the end of the month will get some prizes. Good luck with your close-up coins. We'll go through the answers of all 5 of these on Tuesday morning. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.